Okay, Fez. What happened, dog? That PCV intake cut your idler pulley? Huh? Fucker? Custom what? Uh-oh. What are you doing, dog? You unplugging math? Here's Bez's Afro engineering at its finest. That's right. Zip ties and PCV.
Shit fits where?
Take the oil cap off, might be easier.
Yeah.
We gotta have the gorman professional come in here and do this. Put it on, dog. Come on. Dude, you ain't even got the throttle body plugged in, D. There we go. Okay. See what happens when you let Fez get around things. Starts unplugging shit. This thing chopping. Chopping. Say that again. Sounds like a NASCAR truck. Okay. Shut it off. Fez gotta check the coolant. Okay. Is that you over there, Chocolate? Smile for the camera.
You done?
Yeah.
Press the top button again.
Here's a Grand Tour of the Gorman Shop. Give it a look around. The reach around. Come on. Take a picture for the camera, ho.
Complete with gay music in this chop shop. Okay.
So this is another installment of episode Fez over and out.
That's right.
Say it.
They got it.